Hey there guys, so I'm gonna be doing this thing called Battle Cats. I'm further on in the game. I'm not like doing it from the start because I started playing this before I started doing YouTube, and yeah, as you can see, I got a couple of things done. Basically Battle Cats is cats trying to take over the world and the future and the universe. So the first cat you'll get is regular cat, which once you get it to level 10, it can evolve to level 20. Next is Tank Cat, which evolves into Wall Cat. Then the ones that you see further on, you get from doing these things called Cat Capsules, which you need cat tickets for, which you get from logging in and doing different events. There's Axe Cat, which can evolve into Brave Cat. Gross Cat, which evolves into Sexy Legs Cat. Cow Cat, that evolves into Giraffe Cat. Bird Cat, that evolves into UFO Cat. Fish Cat, that evolves into Whale Cat. Lizard Cat, that evolves into Dragon Cat. Titan Cat, that evolves into Mystical Titan Cat. And these are upgrades for your cat base, which you will see later on. There's Power of the Cat Cannon that you can fire. The range, the charge, the efficiency, the wallet, the health, the research, the accounting, the study, and the energy, which you need to actually do the levels. The energy. There's a cat guy, which you can later spend cat food on. Once you get it, in order to help you during the battle. You can see in the corner there's cat food, bottom right. I have 129. So yeah, there is also Ninja Cat, which evolves into Ninja Frog Cat. There are also the different types of cats, well, enemies. There's red enemies, floating, black, metal, angel, alien, zombie, and heroic. There are also all these different effects. Some of these cats you have to spend cat food on in order to get. So I'm just going over the ones I have. Samurai Cat. This one, I don't know how I got it. I don't remember spending cat food on it. There's Actress Cat, Biker Cat, Skirt Cat that evolves into Thigh Cat. Mister is the one I'm trying to get because he's a quick one. There is Maneko that evolves into Miss Maneko, which you can get Maneko from completing Chapter 1 of Empire of Cats. And then there's Healer and Healer CC, which I got from an event. Merc and Merc CC, which again, event. And also from the event, TT and TTCC. There's Beam Cat, which you can get from going halfway through Chapter 1. There's Cat Torpedo, which was from another event, which is the evolved form of Meowa Meowa. There is the Cat Burger from another event that evolves into Cat Royale. And from completing Chapter 2, you get Valkyrie Cat, which evolves into True Valkyrie Cat. There's Pogo Cat, Wheel Cat, and these are not all the cats, they're just the cats I have. Salon Cat, Jurassic Cat, Pirate Cat, Thief Cat, Fortune Teller Cat, Witch Cat, Swordsman Cat, Cat Gunslinger, Mercat, Amioji Cat, Sick Cat, which is the evolved form of Adult Cat, Evil Cat, which I got from an event, Catatron, Maiden Cat, which evolves into Sports Girl. Oh yeah. Doll Cats are what evolves into Catatron. Marshmallow Cat. True Killer Cat, which is the evolved form of Killer Cat. And Miku Cat, which evolves into Miku Cat CC, which is part of an event that's going on right now that I'll show you guys later. And super rare, I got Hip Hop Cat, Sushi Cat, Meadow Cat, Bath Cat, Figure Skating Cats, Cat Toaster, Nymph Cat. If you guys want to see any of these like in battle, I'll show you. And in the Uber Rares category, I have Mighty Thermain Deluxe. So yeah, all these cats do different things. If you get a rare cat capsule, which right now there's an event going on with the Hatsumi Miko games, and there's also the Uberfest. Ubers are the most powerful beings in the game. Well, depending on when you have them leveled up, but they can be the most strongest in the game. The Uberfest, it has increased Uber drop rate, which you can get from this 11 drop you see in the corner above the cat food. Usually, during some events, it gives you a 100% chance of actually getting the Uber during some days. And then this has 8 days left, so I probably won't be getting an Uber from that. There are also these things called outbreaks, where you face zombies. But I don't feel like doing an outbreak right now. I just feel like showing you guys all the stuff that you can do. There's Gatamoto, which you can send out on expeditions to get you stuff. I know I'm all over the place. There are also missions you can complete to get cat food and other things. Like you can see at the top, complete Empire of Cats Chapter 3, 100 cat food. Clear XP reward stages 5 times, that gets you a cat ticket. Stuff like that. So yeah. This isn't that far into the game. I've just been mostly doing legend stages. So yeah, there's also Into the Future, which is the cats trying to take over the future basically. And it has the alien units. Well, mostly alien and white. And then there's this. The place that you can get sorry, I just like this. Where you can see what special stages are going on, and they don't have the same ones for all of the day. It's just different times during the day will be different stages. These are limited time stages for the collaboration. And then down here, Stories of Legend. It's different stages that you can do. Also in the menu, you can see your Meow medals in Legend stages, which basically tells you what certain achievements in the game you've gotten. As you can see, I've gotten the make 1,000,000 cents, although that's probably making no sense. And there's also the 5 million cents. Then there's your user rank, which you can rank up. You can get different things once you get to different stages. The user rank goes up by you completing certain things. You can see down here my energy. The little red 2 is how many times I can refill it without having to wait. And then down here, each of these things, there's a speed up. Battle speed will be doubled. Tap an item while in battle to toggle it on or off. There's the treasure radar. 100% chance of getting a treasure when you use it. There's a rich cat. Your worker cat will start the battle at max level. The worker cat was the little thing in the left hand corner at the beginning. No, wait, sorry. That was in a different recording. Cat CPU. The cat CPU will control your base and fight for you. Don't expect much, so basically that means it's terrible. There's the cat jobs. You receive 1.5 times more experience than usual upon clearing a stage. And then there's Sniper Cat. Cat Sniper provides cover and pushes back enemies. Attack power is proportional to your cat face's health. So yeah, I'll just show you like me completing one of these stages with the team that I have. So far that I am in the game. Oh crap, I forgot. Metal units are very difficult to beat because unless you have one that can specifically attack metal units, you have to wait until you can get a critical hit on it. I suggest that for battling metal units, use Miss Moneko. So, you see this thing in the left-hand bottom corner? I will press it and it upgrades to level 2. You can get an upgrade max of 8 levels, and that's the rich cat. It's how much money you can get and how much money is your maximum. Yeah, as you can see, Miss Moneko just one-shot critical hit him. And your cats do have a chance of missing. That's the one thing about sending in multiple cats at once. One important thing is meat shielding. Like, wall cat and muscle cat are basically just meat shields. They go in, they take the damage for your different cats. And yeah, depending on how far you are in the game or what you're actually doing, is how much money the things will cost. It's very fun to see the different attacks that they do. If you guys want to see, like, what cats I should use, stuff like that, go ahead, comment down below. Yeah, I'm just trying to talk because... So where was I? Oh yeah, I'm just, like, talking because video editing is a pain in the butt. And just making stuff interesting. You see the little thing in the right hand corner that is called the cat cannon? Once you have the range up to maximum level 10, no matter the size of the stage, see right now this is a small stage, it will just fire all the way across the stage. So yeah, I think I'll send a giraffe cat to get things done quickly. Because giraffe cats, they are one of the few fast attackers I've encountered in the game. Including watching other people play it, like Matt Shea, Captain Sauce. Go subscribe to them. And yeah. Come on. Basically, if you know what I've been talking about, good for you. If not, go over to Matt Shea's channel or Captain Sauce and look at one of the playlists that they have. In their first videos, they explain it way better than I ever could. So yeah. That's all I have to show you. And in case you're wondering, the reason why I named myself General Gravedigger is that it's not out of, like, mockery for people who are in the army. In fact, it's out of respect for people in the army. Like, I have big respect for them, which is why I want to one day become a general. It's basically, like, it's not that I want the fame or anything, it's that I just want to serve my country. That's basically it. And trust me, once I'm old enough, I will. At least I will try. So, yeah. So there's the cat guide that can show you all the different cats you've unlocked. The enemy guide will show you all the different enemies you've encountered. Oh, there are some zombies. You see, that's the penguin zombie, the doggo zombie, the snack zombie. So yeah. I really like this. Cat storage is where you would sometimes send your cats from the draws. So I think that is all that I have to show you guys today. Oh yeah, Claw Dojo. Basically, you go into this, you can, okay, Arena of Honor, I've never seen this. So let's see what this is, ooh, I can get cat food from this. So, I'm gonna try this. Arena of Honor. Miku Miku Music Fest. So I'm just gonna try this. Oh, this is part of the event I didn't even know about. I like the music though. So I think that for this, you just have to wait until the time runs out, protect your base, and yeah. I think it's harder as it goes along. Sometimes that base will attack. Not all bases attack, but this one definitely will. So as you can see, I'm just trying to save up money, send out different cats and whatnot. Yeah. Oh no, not the gorilla from the event. Depending on what event you're in, it can reshape what the enemies look like. And so, I really hate the gorillas. Crap, my frame rate. Okay, so yeah, as I previously stated in my last video, I have a challenge for you guys. If you see a notification for YouTube pop up, go subscribe to it. Go and check out the person who popped up. And comment down below if you like the content or not, and if you subscribed or not. So yeah, go over and check out Yub. Don't know why Yub notifications are showing up. But yeah. Okay, what? Okay, come on, go, 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 go. Yeah, my frame rate, because it's saying that I don't have enough space. See, it's like my frame rate. It's going in and then going out. Not the bear. No, 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 no. I hate the bears. I hate the bears. Or as Captain Sauce called it, happy slappy bears. No. Wait, how much? Okay, Valkyrie is 3,000. Basically, just I'm sending in meat shields. I'm waiting to get that 3,000. My frames are terrible. It just... Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. I'll try and put the description for, I'll try and put in the description down below Captain Sauce's and Yub's and Matt Shea's channel. 15, 15, 14. Fire is the cannon that comes from Captain Sauce. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 7, 6. Time is up. Trial complete. Okay, let's see. I saved it at 100%. that's it for today, guys. Uh, remember to thank your veterans and those that you see out there in military uniforms, and yeah, see you in the next one, guys.